dear friends. Assalamu alaikum and have a very good morning. As you already know that we are gathered here for a debate competition. Its topic is exams should be banned. But why? Why do we ban exams? What will we get by banning exams? I don't think so we can get something by banning exams. But I know what will we lose by banning exams. Honorable Judge, it will be our talent, our skills, our abilities, our knowledge and our education. Yes, you have the right, our abilities and knowledge. Now, I'll make it understandable for you. As for an example, if you play cricket so you get talent in it, but if you stop playing it for 6 months, for 10 months, you will lose your talent in it. As same as this, if you study harder, you will get talent. And after it, when you stop studying by banning exams, because exams are banned, now you don't have to worry about studying, you will lose your talent, you will lose your abilities, you will lose your skills and talents and knowledge. And if you lose your talent, your skills, your knowledge and abilities, then how will you pass any job test? And jobs that are easy but worthy for us. Jobs in which we have to work in air conditioner room with suit in and tie in neck, and if we don't get jobs like this, then we have to work like in labor, work in hot summer days and even cold winter days. Because we have to afford our daily life expenses and earn something. For earning something, we have to work. But we are not educated, and we have to work like in labor. And the other reason that exams are so important for our life is that our life is an exam from God. As he says in his book, Holy Quran, in chapter 67, someone who hears that and life is ordered to test which one of you is best in least. That means our life is an exam from God. God is having an exam from us to check our qualities, our personalities, our abilities. As well as this procedure, school examination and school teachers are having an exam from us to check our qualities and our information, that what kind of student he is and what kind of mistakes he is having. And for us, exams are to check ourselves, to our qualities, and then what kind of improvement we need, then what kind of mistakes we are having, that in what we are so good. Exams are to check ourselves. And some students says that exams are so hard and so time consuming. Yes, they will be hard and time consuming for you because you make them time consuming for you. If you work only hard and the last time of exams, it will be time consuming, but if you work smart and from the first day of the schools, then it won't be hard for and time consuming for you. And the other reason that if you said that exams should be banned, yes, banning exams, then what is this? What are we doing right now? It's an exam. It's an exam from me, from my friends, from honorable judge, from respectable teachers, and from all the students that were sitting here. It is an exam for us to show our abilities, our skills, and our talents. It is an exam for teacher to prepare us, to make ourselves to speak here. And it is an exam from the students to encourage us, to motivate us. It is an exam from honorable judge to find which one is the best in us. Which one is the best? And we will not get any kind of stress, any kind of pressure. We will be happy. We will be so happy. Happiness will be came from everywhere. From there, east, south, north, west, everywhere. And happiness from everyone will make our brain fully filled. And if we fulfill anything, it will be explode. Because its capacity was ended, and if our capacity of our brain is ended, then how will our brain survive? It will be exploded. And exams there are two ways of passing the exam. One is full of stress, full of hardship, full of tension and full of pressure, but at the destination it will be the way of success, the way of faith, the way of honor and the way of respect. And the other way is the way of review, is the way of happiness, is the stressless way, is the tensionless way and is the pressureless way. But at the destination it will be the way of unsuccessful, the way of dishonor, the way of disrespect, and the way of dispain, and the way of hardship.